In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect headphones in Zoom meeting. By the end, you'll have your headset selected. So your voice is clear and you hear the meeting through your headphones, reducing echo and background noise. Before we jump in, make sure your headphones are already connected to your computer. If they're wired, plug them in firmly. If they're Bluetooth, pair them through your device's Bluetooth settings first so Zoom can see them. Now let's get started. Open Zoom. You can launch the Zoom desktop app or visit the Zoom website and sign in if that's how you usually join meetings. The audio options we need appear while you're in a meeting, so go ahead and join or start a Zoom meeting. You can enter a scheduled meeting, accept an invite link, or simply start a new meeting for yourself. This creates the space where Zoom exposes your audio device controls. Once you're in the meeting window, take a look at the toolbar along the bottom. On desktop, it runs across the screen. On smaller windows, it may compress, but you'll still find the controls. Focus on the bottom left area where you'll see the microphone icon. This is the audio control section. Click on the audio icon. If the mic is crossed out, that toggles mute and unmute. Don't worry if your audio changes briefly. We'll set the correct device next. The key is to access the device options right from this area. Next to the microphone icon, click the small arrow pointing up. This opens a menu that lists the audio devices Zoom can use. It's the quickest way to choose the exact headset you want without leaving the meeting. From this menu, select your microphone. Look for the name that matches your headphones. For wired headsets, it might say something like headset microphone or the brand name of your device. For Bluetooth earbuds, you may see entries that include hands-free or the model name. Choose the one that clearly represents your headset's microphone. Picking the correct microphone ensures your voice is captured through the headset instead of a laptop mic across the room. Many headsets also include the speaker in the same device family, so once your microphone is set, your audio experience often lines up automatically. If your voice still sounds distant to others, double-check that you selected the headset's mic, not the built-in one. And if your headset doesn't appear, reseat the cable, or quickly reconnect Bluetooth, then open the same menu again. That's it, your headphones are now connected in your Zoom meeting.